Good morning, everyone. My name is Babe, and I'm back. Some of you might know me as Babe from the Cooking Cop and Babe. So welcome to my channel. I've decided that I'm gonna do one on my own. My love of sandwiches has driven me to start a sandwich-only channel. So I hope you enjoy it. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a simple breakfast sandwich and turn it into something magical. That's my goal. We're gonna take simple things and turn them magic. I'm so excited. So come and join me, see what I do, tell me if you like it. Like and subscribe to me. And if you're looking for other stuff, go check out our other channel, The Cooking Cop and Babe, where we barbecue and make all sorts of great meals and shenanigans and super fun. So let me tell you about my breakfast sandwich this morning. Okay, so it's Sunday morning and we're actually getting ready to go over to our friend Cooking with CJ and his wife Melissa's house. And I wanted to put together a quick breakfast sandwich for Josh to get our day started. So here I have a ciabatta roll that's left over actually from my sandwich that I made the other day, my turkey sandwich. I'm using some mayo, a little bit of garlic chili sauce just to spice it up, aged white cheddar, sausage from the deli, breakfast sausage from the deli, and 2 eggs. So I am going to take that and turn it into something magical. So the first step to this magical breakfast sandwich is going to be taking my breakfast sausage and turning it into patties so that I can put it properly on my ciabatta bun. Really simple, kind of like you're making a hamburger patty. You just take a little piece. You got to know that it's going to shrink up. So we're gonna take about, I have little hands, this much, I don't know, what is that, a couple ounces, and we're just gonna flatten it out. Make sure you wash your hands, don't be gross. Okay, so it's about the size of my palm. We're gonna make a couple of those, and then we're going to fry them up in the cast iron skillet. So I turned it into 3 patties, pretty good size. Now I'm gonna fry it up in the cast iron skillet. While that cast iron skillet is warming up, because you wanna make sure you get it piping hot before you lay anything down, I'm gonna make our sauce. So you'll learn that I am a huge sauce person. I think it adds so much flavor to any dish. I like to dip things and I like to make sauces. Everything needs a sauce. So we're gonna put about a tablespoon of mayo, and we're gonna add a little bit of chili garlic sauce. Now Josh is questioning me on this, so I'm really excited to see. We're just gonna add like a tiny bit, like a half a teaspoon, okay? I'm gonna mix it all up. Oh yeah. Just gives you a little bit of pink, a little bit of spice, a little bit of garlic. I have my sausage going in the cast iron. Now make sure when you take that sausage off of the plate that you put that plate in the sink and you don't put the cooked sausage back on the plate because that would be gross. Next up, let's get some fried eggs going. Okay, so I've put just a little bit of butter in here and I'm gonna cook up 2 eggs. I like to do my eggs on about medium to medium low. I think it cooks them better and it doesn't burn them. Sometimes you can cook them a little too fast and then they have that crispy, charred, burnt on them, and I think that's yucky. So we're gonna go ahead and crack them. Make sure that you crack your eggs on a flat surface. You've got your butter spread all around. Drop your egg right in. There you go. Don't get any shell in there, but a little trick, if you do get shell in your eggs, you can take the regular shell and it just becomes a magnet to pick it out. It's a little tip for you. Well, I've got my eggs and my sausage cooking. I'm gonna go ahead and load up my bread with my sriracha mayo, and I'm gonna toast it so that I can get it all blended together and kind of married in. So like I said, I always enjoy hot sandwiches. Cold sandwiches are awesome, but there's just something about a hot sandwich that brings all of the flavors together and makes it that much better. So we'll go ahead and load up both sides. and stick it in our little toaster oven. Oh yeah, this is gonna be really good. Okay, so there we go. We have our bread ready to go in the toaster oven. And we're just gonna set it to toast, maybe for 4 minutes, just to get that sriracha mayo into the bread and get it a little crispy before I put my eggs and my sausage and my cheese on, and then I'll rebroil it in the end to make sure it's all nice and hot, toasty roasty, ready to go. I don't want it to overcook too much. Still want to be able to move them around. Let's flip those babies over, and he does not like any yolk to come out, so we're going to make sure that those are cooked and it's fried, not over easy, medium, any of that. Our sausage is doing good, coming along. I think this is going to be yummy. Because these sausage patties are so thick, kind of like a burger patty, I'm going to go ahead and cover it so that we can keep that steam in there and get them heated all the way through, and we don't want to have any kind of raw sausage. It is time to build the sandwich. I have my pre-toasted ciabatta roll. My sausage is all done. My eggs are all done. So what I'm gonna do is show you how I build it. So I'm gonna start by laying my aged white cheddar right down here on the bottom part. And then next I wanna layer it with my sausage, all nice and cooked. I have my 2 fried eggs here, all nice and perfect. I'm gonna turn it over so it kind of becomes a sandwich of its own, but also so that it fits on the sandwich. We're gonna lay that right there. And then we're gonna throw it right back in the toaster oven. Don't forget, you need your cheese on your other side. Okay, so what I ended up doing was putting an egg on the other side. It was just starting to fall over. So it's all done. I've got the cheese perfectly melted. I'm gonna pull it out, show you guys what it looks like, and then we're gonna make Josh come and take a bite. So here we are, right after I pulled it out of the oven. We've got our sausage, our aged white cheddar, our chili mayo, a fried egg, well, 2 fried eggs, cheese on both sides, a ciabatta roll. Let's put it together, see if it'll stick together, and see how it tastes. Here it is, the magical moment where I cut it in half and we get Josh to taste it and see what he thinks. He was skeptical about my chili mayo, so we will see what he thinks. Okay, there we go. We have chili mayo, garlic chili mayo, breakfast sausage, 2 fried eggs, and aged white cheddar on a ciabatta roll for breakfast. Let's see what he thinks. For those of you that are new to my channel, this is my other half. The other half of my heart. What do you think, babe? Tell me the truth about the garlic chili mayo.
That actually works.
You were skeptical. You like it? Put it back together.
I need to rebuild.
It's all falling apart.
I need to rebuild.
Oh no, Sammy down.
Okay, let me try one more light.
Did I cook the egg properly? Good, it's not dripping all over.
That mayo's actually pretty good.
Yeah?
I was like, mayo?
Sriracha and mayo. Well, sriracha mayo is good on some things, but this is the garlic chili sauce.
You can taste the garlic.
You can?
It's really good.
Yay.
It's super good, baby. Good
Thanks
job.
for joining me on my channel and doing a little cameo. I'm so excited to have you.
I'm going to take my sandwich and go now. Bye-bye.
Well, while he's finishing up eating, I'm going to clean up. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions for sandwiches or you want me to give you some ideas on how you can zhuzh up that basic sandwich, leave a comment below. And what else am I supposed to say, babe?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Thanks, everybody.